What's going on, Scion fanatics? Welcome to a night edition of Oil and Gears. So I didn't plan on working at night, but I got a couple of things that are on a certain schedule, timeline, and took the Scion out for a test drive and noticed a smell coming out of the right passenger rear tire, and it was heating up really bad. So I took the tire off and I spun it and I could hear that humming noise, so I figured it was the wheel bearings. I did check the brakes, I put new brake pads, everything's on there correct. So ordered new rear wheel bearings and gonna put them on right now. It's not too hard, it's 4 bolts, it's the ABS sensor clip, and I say that it's not too hard, but we'll see how that goes. So. And there you go. Now the reason why I'm doing this tonight, and I want to try to get it because I have a timeline. I'm getting the CV axles done, both sides. I'm not even going to attempt to do that, so I'm having somebody else do it for me, but I wanted to get these on first so I can drive it over to the shop and have them put on the CV axles. So there you go, simple as that. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace!